you will agree with me, herders and farmers conflict predates almost 2 decades. So that's not mean that structures and government were not doing enough. For example, it is doing a lot of work, so the level of intensity of conflict may have also reduced. And so it is in other states. Just that as globalization comes, there are a lot of challenges from the climate environment, desertification, and all of those are contributing to the problems. Then again, the spaces for agricultural and also shrinking, also because of the environmental problem. But practically what we've done so far, there's only one way out: dialogue. And dialogue and dialogue. Once people can understand the critical element that can promote communal harmony, then we have solutions. There is no way out. No matter how strong you are, violence cannot resolve herders and farmers conflict. The only thing is mutual understanding. So what are we promoting? Early warning instructions. How will they report? What feedback mechanism do we require? Who is taking the information? Are we going to be proactive or are we going to be reactive? The major problem why herders and farmers persist is because we are reacting rather than being proactive to the issues. These issues are glaring. There are issues we know. Before now, there are nomadic studies centers in schools. They are no longer there. Infrastructure decay also there. Governance failure contribution. But in all fairness, the parties, as we've learned from them effects, they are doing a lot in the state. So I'm going to narrow to state specific. I've done resolve conflict in some states where they've been involved for almost like for 7 years now, they've not been gunshot. But it takes a lot of time, a lot of investment, a lot of effort to get people to understand. Now, yes, they are activated at some states, how would they call it, integrated law. Some states do not have integrated law. And even when they have integrated law, you need to talk about enforcement. So many factors can make it happen. Legislation, are we implementing legislation? Even if we're implementing, how about the borderlines? How about the forest reserves? Who is manning what? So there are many factors cannot be solved in one meeting. But the purpose here is increase people's capacity and knowledge so that we can improve the purpose of the Express project, so that Express can meet its objective and also contribute to food security in the Ekiti state and grow the GDP as well. And again, everybody is safe, secure, and without